What's going on, everybody? My name is MaxSauce1234, back with another video where today we're going to be reacting to optical illusions. So we're going to get it set up. So this is top 10 it just says 10 optical illusions that will make your mind melt. That will melt your mind. Okay, let me see this. Let's see this, guys.
We perceive the world through our eyes, but it's our brain that decides what we see. But if you think your brain is a trustworthy ally, then you might want to think again after trying out these optical illusions. Same color. Believe it or not, these two squares are the same color. Don't think so? Then put your finger over the middle in between the two squares. You'll see what we mean. The reason your brain thinks they're two different colors is due to the white line in the middle and your brain filling in missing information. Inception. Look at the center of this image for about 30 seconds. Next, look at this photo from the movie Inception. You don't need to buy a movie ticket to check out this iconic scene from the movie. Because you're imprinting an image in your mind from the first photo, it carries over to the next image you see, causing that tilting effect. Orbital dots. These dots look like they're traveling around the page in an orbital pattern while changing colors, but look at each individual dot. You'll see that each dot is just moving in and out and staying one color. Our brain is sure good at tricking us into thinking otherwise. Tiny dancer. Which way is the dancer moving? That will depend on which side of the brain you're using. You can actually manipulate your brain into getting the dancer to move in whichever direction you please. It takes some effort, but you'll feel like you have some superpowers. Moving lines. Call it a play on lines and angles, but stare at the yellow dot in the middle for a few seconds. Then move your head back and forth. The purple lines move with your head. It might look like you're doing a chicken dance move, but at least you get to see something cool from it. Hidden face. This one requires some optical acrobatics. If you cross your eyes and stare into the dots, you'll be able to see the king of pop, Michael Jackson. The reason behind this is that the dots that make up the
it is. Cross your eyes, guys.
Spacing that isn't equal.
That one's actually pretty cool. Let me cross it again. Yep, it's Michael.
The shapes are exposed when you're staring directly at them, and changing the angle of your eyes shows a hidden face. Parallel or sloped. Are these lines parallel or do they slope downwards? Because our brains are trying to rationalize the black and white lines, we can't seem to tidy up the lines. The vertical lines aren't quite lined up, and it looks like even the squares are moving side to side. This is a classic case of our brains trying to fill in the blanks. The missing dot. It seems that this circle of dots is missing a dot. At first glance, the missing dot moves around the circle and there is nothing there. But now stare at the cross in the middle of the circles and you'll see a lime green dot replacing the empty space moving around the circle. We hope you enjoyed these awesome optical.
That is cool.
Stare at the cross in the middle of the circles and you'll see a lime green dot replacing the empty space moving around the circle. We hope you enjoyed these awesome optical illusions.
The heck? That's cool.
And you'll see a lime green dot.
No, not that.
A dot. At first glance, the missing dot moves around the circle and there is nothing there. But now stare at the cross in the middle of the circles and you'll see a lime green dot replacing the empty space moving around the circle. We hope you enjoyed these awesome optical illusions. Let us know.
We're gonna do more optical illusions. We're just gonna do this, I guess.
Elite Facts presents
25 most amazing optical illusions.
25.
We have an example of an impossible object, except this time it's the rotation of the blocks that is inconsistent. Are they side by side or on top of each other? Maybe that's why they call them indecipherable figures.
24.
See if you can make this woman spin in different directions.
23.
Well,
At first, this one may be hard to see, but if you get a scan back and forth across the image, you'll notice that the squares in your periphery begin to rotate. As soon as your eyes stop moving, however, rotation will cease.
22.
No, this is not an animated GIF. The image is really static. Notice that when you look at any individual point, dead on, it will stop moving. This powerful illusion is derived from interacting color contrasts and shape positions within the image.
21.
Oh, that is cool.
These Lego pieces appear to be never ending in this triangle.
20.
Yes, the Leaning Tower of Pisa does actually lean, but these two images are in fact one and the same. Although the image on the right appears to be leaning away from the one on the left, this is only in your head. Go ahead and try the same thing with the Empire State Building. It will lean too. Promise.
19.
It looks like the orange circle on the left is quite clearly smaller than the right, but they're identical in size.
18.
Because of the green cylinder here, it looks like it's resting on a checkered board, but actually, the squares A and B are the same color.
17.
Oh yeah, wait.
Which circles are moving for you? Actually, neither are moving.
16.
This is a classic illusion named after Ludmar Hermann, who discovered it in 1870. At every point where the white lines intersect our eyes, perceive a gray, shadowy blob. If you look directly at one of the intersections, though, the blob disappears.
15.
Oh.
Stare at this image for 30 seconds, and it will slowly disappear. The Caniza triangle was named after the psychologist Gaetano Caniza, who first described its effect. When you look at the image, your brain creates contours or outlines of a triangle, although none exist. In reality, it's an illusion created by the wedges and the angles.
13.
Didn't get that, I didn't.
More moving around, but this image is completely still.
12.
Does this shape have 3 stumps, or not?
Whoa, that is cool. No, does it? There's just one drawn on the table.
11.
It won't be long before that big monster catches the baby monster. Except when it does, it'll find they're the same size.
10.
Are they the same size?
Except when it does, it'll find they're the same size.
10.
The dots between the squares are all white.
9.
There are several variations to this illusion, but the effect is the same. The blue and green backgrounds are in fact the same color. Open it in Photoshop.
8.
Stare at the dots in the center for 30 seconds. Now close your eyes. What do you see?
7.
More line jiggery pokery here. All of the lines are straight diagonal ones. The smaller ones create the illusion.
6.
Just a quick FYI, those red lines are straight as arrows.
5.
No stairs here, just depth perception with the drawing and the red square in the back.
What? Okay, so yeah, there are no squares. They're just painting on the walls and on the ground.
These lines are moving up and down, but not to the right. Do they move right without you thinking?
3.
Our eyes are tricking us into believing the pink dots are moving, but they're all stationary.
2,
Which image is bigger, A or B? Because they're actually the same size.
1,
Stare at the dot in the center of this image.
Okay, we've had enough optical imaging for today. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. As always, peace out.